Hello, this is Nick with Clark County Plumbing and Drain. This is a video section of a catch basin drain line. I'm currently at the front catch basin by the front windows of the building here. I pushed out as far as my camera will go at approximately 53 feet. So this will be a reverse video inspection. We'll start pulling back now. See, we're holding a little bit of water there. It appears we're in 6-inch 30-34. Here there appears to be a piece of rebar coming through the top of the pipe at approximately 2 feet. And here I am back in the catch basin. I'm going to pause the video and go to the back one. So I pushed upstream from this catch basin in the back driveway. I pushed up to the same fitting I was stuck at on the one coming from out front at approximately 44 feet. So I'm going to pull back from here to this catch basin, and I'm going to push downstream. And this appears to be a tie-in of some sort. You can see here the pipe is kind of at a oval shape. Here I am back at this catch basin. I'm going to pause the video and push downstream as far as I can. I pushed out to, looks like an outfeed somewhere at approximately 79 feet. I'm going to pull backwards from here to back to the catch basin. You can see a pretty good dent in the pipe here at approximately 63 feet. Another dent there, still carrying on. Another small dent here at 48 feet. Doesn't appear to be obstructing any sort of flow. Pretty significant dent here at 43 feet. Hold some water and rocks here, 33 feet. Pretty good sized rock here, about 2 feet in. And here I am back at the catch basin. This completes my video inspection.